О, пошло.
What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and in today's action-packed episode of Idiots in Cars we're gonna be watching some people who absolutely got no clue what they're doing. So with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this. Alrighty, we are starting today in Florida. And they're amazing drivers. This guy managed to block the traffic with only 3 cars on the road. Which is not too bad considering the location, of course. And now you all know what time it is. It's time to deploy some speed and power. Ooh. Let's go! That is awesome. And meanwhile, in Audi Airlines, something tells me that's not his car. Oh no, that's a beautiful Rolls Royce. Habibi probably got stuck there because of the recent floods. And although this looks sad, they're probably like, yeah, I'm just gonna buy another one, who cares? Because we can, right? And this guy's opinion of how the traffic should work is very interesting, to say the least. He probably lost the race to a Mustang. I don't have friends. I got family. Get this guy out of the car before it's too late. And now may I present to you the brand new Pirelli's tire compound. It's called Hopes and Dreams. That guy is really driving on hopes and dreams. The left one is hope and the right one is dreams. And here comes the Tesla being the safest car on the road once again. This is just incredible. I wonder if you know how they live in Tokyo. Whoa, hold it. Yes. He probably was like, why am I hearing the Tokyo Drift song? Let's see here. Oh. Anyways, it looks like the Ram just got sick and tired of working with these guys. On to the next one we go. Change lanes, please. Wait a minute, why is that Golf sniffing a bush? That was strange. I think this is the only time when you don't wanna hear your car is on fire. But don't worry, at the end everything was okay. They managed to put it out. You wanna see a magic trick? Now you see me? And now you don't. And now we're in a random Aussie parking garage. Oh, that's a pole position, I believe.
We just had a dash cam.
Did he hit the thing?
Yeah, he just punched straight into that thing.
No, he didn't.
He did, he just crashed into that pole.
No, he didn't.
You saw it.
I didn't see it.
He did, he just crashed into the pole.
No, he just braked really hard.
No, he didn't, he smashed into the pole.
No, he didn't.
He did, I'll show you.
Those two are very entertaining, but before this escalates any further now, let's settle this once and for all. He did hit a pole, which means he got a pole position. And those two were so funny. Just another day for the average couple. Now imagine, you're a police officer, chilling on a highway, everything is normal, everything is good. And then all of a sudden a random trailer just casually drives by you. I'm in a pursuit of a rogue trailer, and to be honest, that trailer is doing much better job than this guy, for example. Look at that. It's a wrong way, you dingleberry. Whoa! Get this guy off the road immediately. But on the other hand, the dashcam guy had a perfect reaction. And here we have a guy who is messing around, and he's gonna find out that no matter what, you're not gonna win against the truck, especially if you're driving a boat. I think that means he's about to find out what the stupid prize is when you play the stupid games. Here we go, the truck fakes to the right and goes to the left, and booyah! I think he's not gonna do that again. Whoa.
Holy.
Moving on to the next one. Power! And a Mercedes goes into a guardrail. What was that all about? I don't know. And here we have a Nissan 350Z, I believe. It's in mint condition, low mileage, good condition overall. I mean, it only needs an alignment and a good polish, but that's it. Drives like a dream, baby. As you can see. I bet that guy in the truck didn't even feel it. That sounded wrong, but anyways, we are moving on. Oh, hello there. He's currently he's currently using one brain cell, and me as well, apparently. Currently, that's the one. And after that little brain lag, we're gonna move on now.
Go to the light after this light.
And then turn right?
Yeah. What a turn.
You could have done that from the left, but okay. Whatever floats your boat. And now he's looking at that red light and thinking, what this red light could possibly mean.
That was like a really solid red light.
Yeah, it couldn't get any more red. And here you're probably wondering what is going on, but this guy is actually a hero. He's blocking that stolen car, IKEA. I think it's a Kia. And sorry about that, I don't know what's wrong with me today. Anyways, this is a stolen car. This guy is trying to block it until the police arrives. They are there, but a little bit further behind, so this guy decided to help. Look at that beautiful work. Minister of Defense right there. But unfortunately they managed to escape somehow. Now you're about to see something that is a big no-no. Look at this. This can cause someone to crash. I mean, mostly it won't, but you never know.
With their new song, Creatures That Have It, but we're
Let's
gonna
see
get
here. It looks like someone's compass is acting up. That guy's probably wondering, why is this guy honking like crazy? Oh, no. Ooh, that was a stupid move.
It's slippery on there, just like
Why are you laughing?
there's no traction.
That is called four-wheel steering.
It's with the wrong traction.
Look at that beautiful mechanical art. Go anywhere, do anything. Jeep. Anyway, whoa. Why are you wall riding, bro? That was a very interesting attempt of overtaking somebody.
They're not using all.
Oh, I like the train horn. Oh, that was a love tap.
Somebody just hit me.
Using the cheapest power washer I can find at the local hardware store. The
And
instructions.
whack! I can officially confirm. You got rammed. Boom barats. Am I saying double or that is a quadruple solid line? Whoa! Whatever the case may be, I only see one big dingleberry there.
Again, another one.
That guy decided to take a little detour.
Another one.
another one.
And it looks like he's not
Where
alone.
we're going, we don't need roads.
That's right.
And a third one.
There's a lot of
And
them,
a
looks
fourth
like.
one.
I love how these two in a car are enjoying this so much.
And a fifth one.
And some say they're still going. It's an infinite loop. Oh, it's always a minivan for some reason. Even that BMW guy's like, whoa, what was that? And the Camaro goes for an overtake, but at what cost? His pure genius just collected 2 more cars for no reason. For no reason at all. In these conditions you definitely don't want to mess around. Look at that. You can aquaplane, you can spin out, you can end up in a guardrail or something like that. And speaking of which, it looks like this guy's about to find out what I was talking about there. Ooh, he was really pushing it. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed as always, of course. And yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Ciao, ciao.